Good morning, guys. I'm going to show you how you can start your day in the morning. So remember from 8 to 8:10, you should be getting online, checking your agenda, and getting yourself ready for the day. So I'm going to show you today what I expect you to do first thing in the morning. And this is also going to be what I expect open on a tab while you're working independently. So when you log onto your Chromebook, it's always going to pop up with the Menifee website, and it's also going to pop up with the Clever portal. Okay, now the really nice thing about Clever is I can add tabs to it. So if you scroll down, you are going to be able to find our class website right here. It's titled NMSU Room 14. You're going to want to click on that and have it open. Once you're here to find your agenda, you're going to click on Students. Once you're at Students, you can scroll down. You'll see today's work, and you're going to click on the daily schedule and agenda. Once you click there, you will see the daily schedule uploaded. It's pretty much the same thing every day. And you will scroll down to whatever day it is. Since today is Wednesday, 9/2, you'll want to come right here and click right here. And then that's actually going to be your agenda slide that you're going to want to keep open all throughout the day. So you can close this one, and you can even close this one if you'd like. Okay, so you are going to just kind of scroll down and see exactly what you need to do for the day. Okay, now don't forget, if it does say any assignment, if it says Google Classroom, that means you also need to be in Google Classroom for that assignment. Okay, but that's how I expect you to start your day. Make sure your agenda is open and you're working from there. Okay.